Did you know that your brain is being rewired right now? Not by nature, but by technology. Claude AI is one of the most advanced AI assistants, transforming how we work, think, and live. In today's video, we'll explore how Claude AI is not just a tool, but a force that's rewiring your brain and boosting your productivity to levels never seen before. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you how you can leverage Claude AI to optimize your habits, increase your focus, and completely reshape your mental performance. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you already using an AI assistant like Claude? Let's dive in. Part 1. The rise of Claude AI. In the last few years, Claude AI has emerged as a top AI assistant, competing directly with giants like ChatGPT and Gemini AI. What makes Claude AI unique? It's designed not just to answer questions, but to enhance your productivity and cognitive skills. By interacting with Claude AI, you're engaging in processes that are literally rewiring your brain. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change its structure based on new experiences. And with Claude AI, those experiences happen every single time. You ask for advice, brainstorm ideas, or automate tasks. So, whether you realize it or not, every interaction with Claude AI is shaping your thinking, refining your habits, and making you more efficient. Part 2. How Claude AI is rewiring your brain. Let's break this down. Scientifically, when you use Claude AI to plan your day, draft content, or analyze data, you're offloading cognitive load. That frees up your working memory for more strategic thinking. This is known as cognitive outsourcing. Repeated use of AI assistants, like Claude AI, strengthens neural pathways related to decision-making, creativity, and efficiency, while weakening those associated with repetitive, low-value tasks. In other words, Claude AI helps you focus on what matters most, while it handles the rest. You're essentially upgrading your mental performance every time you use this AI tool. Imagine your brain as a computer. Claude AI is the external processor, accelerating everything. Part 3. Boosting productivity with Claude AI. Now let's talk about productivity, the buzzword of our times. Using Claude AI daily can help streamline your workflow, automate emails, organize projects, generate creative content, optimize schedules. All of this reduces cognitive fatigue and increases your new mental performance. According to a recent study published in Nature, people using AI tools regularly reported a 40% increase in productivity. Let that sink in. 40%. That's not just an incremental gain, it's a complete game changer. Claude AI is designed for this, to help you work smarter, not harder. By leveraging this AI assistant, you're literally shaping your habits for higher efficiency. Part 4. The neuroscience behind Claude AI's impact. But how exactly is Claude AI influencing your brain? When you engage with Claude AI, your brain's dopamine system is activated through positive reinforcement. Every time the AI helps you solve a problem, you feel a small reward. Over time, this creates a habit loop. Problem: use Claude AI. Solution: reward. This loop conditions your brain to seek out more productive behaviors automatically. Additionally, Claude AI enhances executive function by supporting planning, prioritization, and decision-making. Key areas located in the prefrontal cortex. With repeated use, these neural circuits are strengthened, leading to sustained improvements in focus and productivity. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. Part 5. Practical examples of Claude AI in action. Let's get practical. Here are real-world scenarios where Claude AI is transforming productivity. Writers use Claude AI to draft, edit, and refine articles faster than ever. Entrepreneurs automate customer support with Claude AI integrations. Students leverage it to summarize research papers and prepare for exams. Content creators brainstorm video ideas, outline scripts, and even optimize thumbnails, just like I'm doing right now. In each of these cases, the result is the same: increased efficiency, reduced mental overload, enhanced creativity. The more you interact with Claude AI, the more your brain adapts to this collaborative workflow. Part 6. Potential risks and how to use Claude AI responsibly. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Over-reliance on AI assistants, like Claude AI, would potentially reduce certain cognitive skills, like memory retention or spontaneous problem-solving. That's why it's crucial to use Claude AI as an enhancement tool, not a crutch. Balance is key. Use Claude AI to automate repetitive tasks, but keep challenging yourself with complex creative work. By doing this, you ensure that Claude AI is boosting your mental performance, not replacing it. Part 7. Final thoughts and how to get started. So, here's the takeaway. Claude AI is not just another tech trend. It's a powerful AI assistant that's actively rewiring your brain and boosting your productivity. By understanding how this works through cognitive outsourcing, neural reinforcement, and optimized workflows, you can leverage Claude AI to become the most productive, efficient, and focused version of yourself. If you haven't tried Claude AI yet, I highly recommend experimenting with it. Start small. Use it to plan your week, draft an email, brainstorm ideas, and observe how your productivity and mental clarity improve. Before you go, don't forget, like this video, subscribe for more insights on AI tools, productivity hacks, and cognitive enhancement, and share your experience with Claude AI in the comments below. Together, let's embrace the future, one where AI and humans collaborate to unlock peak mental performance. This is Just Habits. One habit can change everything.